Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked bad 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Pro Billet 496 big block with a F1 Procharger on it. And this thing is bad, guys. Absolutely gorgeous car. Killer color combination. You can see it's finished in Tuxedo black. It's got the black vinyl interior in it. It's got a complete custom, all professionally done, charcoal leather interior kit in it. Wicked cool car, guys. Fun to drive. I'm going to tell you, if you're not used to horsepower, this isn't the car for you. This is a car you'll get hurt in. Now listen, the guy I bought this from, he built this car to drive. But obviously with that big block and that Procharger in it, this thing will get with the program. It's fast. But he put it's got 1,000 miles on the build. I think he said he completed either 2020 or 2021, so he's driven this car. Just wicked bad Chevelle though. You can see it's got Billet Specialty wheels all the way around it. Those beadlock wheels are $1,200 a piece. Everywhere you look on this car, you're just going to see money. Now, one thing I will tell you, when he described the car to me, he didn't paint this car, and it's got gorgeous paint on it. I don't know when this car was painted, but it is very, very nice. You can see it's got that custom hood with the flush mount pins. It's got all updated lighting. I think those are called halogen lights, or I can't remember what they're called, but they're super cool. Beautiful, beautiful car. Chrome and stainless is nice. Turn the key, take it right to a car show. He sent me photos of himself standing next to this car with trophies as big as he was. But beautiful car, gorgeous paint. Like I say, just very, very nicely done. Glass is nice, all billet trim inside. Again, it's got that wicked cool hood. Fit and finish on the car is excellent. You can see the vinyl top is nice. There's just not a whole lot you can really nitpick on this car. This car is tough. Some marks in the glass, if you look at that rear glass, but it's a factory soft gray glass. It's a good looking car. Bezels and stuff are nice. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Mickey Thompson ET Streets on the rear. It's got Mickey Thompson front runners on the front. Look how straight that car is. This car is bad to the bone, man. Like I say, everywhere you look, just money. Those are beadlock, Billet Specialty. I think they're called Win Lite wheels. You can see the four-wheel disc brakes in there. I think those are the 4-piston caliper fronts. Look how slick the paint is. Again, professionally built, 496 big block in it with that Procharger. It's got a Holley AED 4-barrel on it, or I guess they call it a blow-through. Dart aluminum intake, Dart aluminum heads. I've got the build for the engine and trans. ATI did the trans. I think I said Dart aluminum heads. Look at that front runner system. That's all billet aluminum, man. It's beautiful. Billet script valve covers. It's got an MSD Pro Billet distributor in it. All custom headers. They're nice in there. You can't really see them with the shadows, but there's your Procharger. Can't remember how you say this. Entropy cooling system. That's $1,800 with dual fans on it. It's got electric water pump. That's good for 900 horsepower. Again, Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes. It comes with a power steering unit. Now I'm going to tell you, it doesn't need power steering. It drives easy. But he's got a power steering unit that he gave to me with it that goes with the car. You can see it's got that billet hood hinge system in it. But I'm telling you, it drives easy. Now the front runners obviously do that, make it easy when you're turning. 400 ATI built 400 reverse manual valve body transmission with a converter. It's got all the black braided lines. I love that. This car is nice. Killer look. Wipers do work. When they park, man, they want to catch the hood, so we're not going to turn them on, but they do work. This is not a car with those tires you want to be out in the rain. Chrome mirror, new door handles, new door rubbers. Door seams are nice and clean, and I love this interior. It's like a two-tone charcoal or two-tone gray, all billet trim on it. I believe these are bolstered Chevelle seats. I mean, they're all custom done. They're extremely comfortable, but the way they tilt and everything in the back, I'll show you what I'm saying. I believe those are Chevelle seats. Beautifully done. Custom center console with the Hurst Quarter Stick shifter. Leather headliner. Ididit tilt column with a Billet Specialties steering wheel. All billet pedals. It's got a Dakota dash in it. I can't remember the name of it. Billet rear view mirror. No radio or anything like that. I don't think the heat's hooked up or anything. It's got Borla. Oh, it's got QA1 tubular front suspension on it with adjustable coilovers. It's got Borla 3-inch dual exhaust. It is a custom Dana rear end with a 430 posi. It's got strange axles in it and a huge sway bar on the rear. It's got all custom box control arms and everything. Complete custom Dana rear end. This is all your paperwork for the engine and trans and the interior. Just painted black in here. Everything opens and closes real nice. It's very nice underneath. Floors are nice and clean. Just some wax, guys. Stay back there. There's not a whole lot to really pick at on the car. It's nice. I love these seats. Again, very comfortable. Factory glass. You can see just a couple of little scratches in it, but it's all the soft ray glass in it. Bad right there, guys. Stone back right there. Yeah, let me show them the gauges too. Hopefully you can see that 1029. You can see everything works. Your push buttons are in here. Your trip, everything like that changes. Wicked cool car, man. How cool is that? Again, no radio or anything like that in it. I don't think the heat's hooked up. Again, wipers do work, but they don't want to park right now. Cool. Headlights are cool. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. You can also keep track of us through our Facebook and our Instagram page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. Let's take this thing for a run.